Yes, sir. Yes, you can get me an ice cream cone. Voice texted like a secret agent. It's not green, it's John Deere green. My house and my life are a mess. Hello. We're gonna do something a little different today. Quick burst tidy, because my house and my life are a mess. A certain somebody, Bean, does not want Mummy to leave his side. So I have a feeling that most of our tidying today will be done with Augie in the carrier, which is fine. It just makes things a little bit slower. I'm gonna try and put him in the exerciser. We'll see how it goes. It's already 1:45 in the afternoon on Tuesday, and if my life is together enough, I will have this posted tomorrow. Yesterday, Peter was working. It was a holiday Monday here. I took the boys, all 3 of them, solo, to my sister's place. So it's about an hour and 50-minute drive from here. I packed up the diaper bag. I had to switch diaper bags. I've realized that the backpack diaper bag, which I love because it's a backpack and it keeps my hands free, it's very hard to pack for 2 kids. There's not really enough space for what Augie needs as a baby, plus Felix's diapers, plus Felix's toys. At least one of his clicker toys usually comes with us wherever we go. But I'd pack 2 books and a clicker toy for Felix, Casper's water bottle, Felix's water bottle, my water bottle, plus diapers for Felix and wipes and diapers for Augie, then pajamas for all 3 of them, plus a Tupperware container with 2 syringes of Felix's medication and his melatonin just kind of floating around in there. Not enough space in this bag. Pulled out the first ever diaper bag we had. It's just got long handles, and because I'm short, I can't just carry it by the handles because then it drags along the floor, and it's too bulky to like successfully wear on your shoulder, to hold it there with like one arm or one hand while you're holding a baby with the other hand, like, or a car seat. It's just too much. 10 out of 10, do not recommend. So I guess that would be a 0 out of 10. So we went to the farm for my nephew's 4th birthday. Between my sister and I, we have 7 children. I have 3 boys. She has a girl and 3 boys. So her first and my first are 6 weeks apart. And then her last and my last are 16 days apart. Completely unplanned. We did not plan on getting pregnant at the same time for any of our children, but here we are. So it was her second oldest's birthday. He is my nephew and also my godson. And he is a farm boy. Through and through and through. You couldn't get a more farmy farm boy than my nephew, and it is the best. He is obsessed with anyone coming down their laneway. He frequently thinks it's like his dad. Like, I cannot stress this enough. He loves anything John Deere. Like, one of the first things he said was John Deere green. It's not green, it's John Deere green. And he knew the John Deere jingle, like for their commercials, I guess, or something. And everything is John Deere. Everything. So last year for his birthday, I vinyled a hoodie. Then this year I said to my sister, because he's starting school in September, I was like, does he have a backpack? No, he does not. So I was like, okay. So I was going to, in a perfect world, if my life were not in a shambles, I was going to go to the fabric store, and just like I made Casper's backpack for JK last year, I was going to make my nephew a backpack with John Deere fabric. At least like maybe a green backpack with John Deere fabric on the inside. I don't know. I don't want to put too much on my plate. My plate is already overflowing. So I ordered just a plain green backpack, and I vinyled it up with a John Deere logo and then the words John Deere on the front pocket. I'll insert a picture here or something. And he loved it. I also got him a cute little hat that said, "See you later, excavator," which he immediately put on and was wearing for the rest of his day. So it was an outdoor party at the farm, and Peter was working. Like, major thanks to my sister for helping me with Augie so I could deal with Felix. By the time we got home, it was like 8:30. I was supposed to be home by 10 after 8, according to my GPS. And then it took us an extra 20 minutes because I needed to stop and get a tea for the drive home. That was key. And Augie Bean, as per usual, wouldn't stop crying. So I car boobed him. I didn't even get him out of the car seat. I like hovered above the car seat, as you do, to breastfeed him again. Before we hit the highway, he was asleep. thank God. And then once we were on the highway, Felix fell asleep. Miracle of miracles. They both slept on the way there. Well, Felix slept the last 45 minutes of the drive. They both slept on the way home. And Casper even fell asleep like 20 minutes away from home. But the reason it took us so much longer to get home, oh my God, the highway speed limit out there is 110 clicks per hour. I was driving maybe 65 with my hazard lights on, almost pulled over onto the shoulder like 10 times because I was driving through some of the worst rain I have ever driven through. And I've driven through some doozies coming home from work. It was awful. So like I was like white knuckling it. Casper was awake, so I had to keep like checking him like, are you okay? Are you okay? Because it was like really bad, severe thunderstorms. Voice texted like a secret agent to Peter to be like, this is our current ETA. Please be ready because all of the children are asleep. Well, we made it all in one piece. Hi, yes we did. Yeah. Sweet bean. You're so close to rolling over, buddy. Come on. Yeah, I know. That's how I feel right now. And I just sat here on the couch with Augie in the car seat like, I can't move. I'm so tired. Peter finally came back down. He's like, can I get you anything? Yes, sir. Yes, you can get me an ice cream cone. So I had an ice cream. Yeah. And then we chatted for a bit. Then we went to bed. And Peter let me sleep as long as humanly possible today because Augie was still asleep. Peter snuck out because otherwise Felix will scream. And then I finished my breakfast, blah, 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 lazy morning. We're all just chilling. And our daycare lady texts and because I texted her last night to say like, is there any chance, I know it's late notice, but can you take 1 or 2 children tomorrow? Because I was so tired from like, other than my drive, I didn't sit down yesterday once we got to the party because it was just like, go, 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 go. She texted me and she was like, I had 2 cancellations. Do you want to bring, like I know Peter's already left for work. Do you want to bring the kids over? And so I was like, let me consult my associates. Went a different way home so I could go past the Tim Hortons because I still don't have cream right now for my coffee. I got myself a nice coffee and we got home. And then I nursed Augie thinking like, maybe you'll stay awake a bit and I can put you in your crib for a nap. So I nursed Augie and he fell asleep on me for like, I don't know, 2 something hours. And like part of me was like, darn it, I really should have put you in your crib. But then he probably wouldn't have napped that long, which is fine. But I was like, I really should have put you in your crib so I could like do some stuff, which is where we are now. He woke up, we pottied, I changed him, and then I fed him some food, like baby food. And then he was like, no, I think I'm good. And then he pooped again. So I was like, well, you're a mess from eating. May as well just toss you in the bubble bath. Obviously I didn't toss him in the bubble bath, but you know what I mean. Ran upstairs with him and picked out some clothes and got him dressed, came downstairs, went to go plug my watch in, and then he puked all over himself. So then we went back upstairs and got him a new outfit. So this is outfit number 2 today. 3 if you count pajamas. Yes. I'm embarrassing you, sorry. And now he won't let me leave him. He won't let me leave his side. So we're doing tummy time and then I'll see if I can put him in the exerciser because this is what I'm dealing with. It's not super bad. This will only take like a minute or 2 to clean up. I just have to like go around searching for all of the things that Felix has left on the floor, like his flashlight, book. Oh look, another book. Fruit snacks over there. And my kitchen. So my table could definitely use a wipe. Like, it's messy. My island has toys on it, because why not? See, I cannot leave my child because he is screaming. Broccoli that needs to be trimmed, dishes and syringes that need to be put away, dishes that needed to be loaded, dishes that need to be unloaded, and I should probably vacuum and mop the floors. Can I do any of that with the bean? I don't know. Also, the mantle. This is my own fault. Look at this. Fabric that needs to be cut, fabric that is cut, fabric that is cut. Really, I'm a disaster. kind of hoping he has another nap. I don't know where and when that will take place. He seems almost tired now, but I'm like, I don't know. So I made myself a smoothie for lunch because that's something that I don't need two hands to eat. Delicious. Yes. I will put my smoothie recipe right here. It's tried and true. I do the same thing every time, depending on what I have on hand. Are we gonna get it all done? Probably not, but we're gonna try. I'm just trying to stay positive because we're blessed, stressed, and doing our best. It's gonna be my new slogan for life. So to the surprise of no one, I'm wearing the bean. He's been rubbing his eyes and yawning, so it's what I do when I'm tired. Maybe that means he's tired too. I don't know. Is asleep. For how long, I don't know, but here we are. The toys are picked up. The table's mostly cleared. I have a headband that I'm just gonna put on the stairs to go up later. And my water, which I really need to drink. I only have an hour and a half before I have to like go and pick up the groceries and then pick up the boys and come home. And also somewhere in there I need to make dinner, which actually makes me think I should probably rinse the sink out and then go grab the shrimp from the garage. It's cooked already, but it's frozen. Once I'm done chopping the vegetables, I will quickly spritz down the countertops and wipe everything down, and then we'll call it a day. And then maybe I'll get my butt downstairs to go edit. Oh God, a girl can dream.